Hi lovelies, welcome back. Today I share with you this healthy and delicious plantain and oatmeal swallow. It is very easy to make, good for the body as it is high in nutrients. So when next you feel like eating swallow, think of this healthy plantain and oatmeal swallow, okay? So to begin, we are going to be needing some unripe plantains, oatmeal. So at this point, I gave the plantains a properly wash.
As long as it concern food, as long as it concern kitchen, as long as it concern belle, you know who to call.
Once that is done, yeah, as you can see here, so go ahead and peel off the skin.
Yourself, my brother, whatever it.
If you have watched our video up to this point, it means you like our recipes. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and also turn on your notification bell to be notified any day, anytime a video is being uploaded. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I appreciate. Next, cut the plantains into small chunks. This will help the blending process. So as you can see here, I'm done cutting the plantains. So the next, yeah, in a blender, pour in the cut plantains, oatmeal, I added some water, but be careful not to add too much water, okay? So once that is done, cover the blender and blend until it is smooth. Next, I went ahead and poured the blended plantain and oat inside the pot.
I got your back on this, so anytime, any place where you stay. MIRA'S kitchen there for you. MIRA'S kitchen there for you.
Now continue to stir until it becomes doughy and stretchy enough to roll into a ball, okay? Just the way you are seeing here. As you can see, it has started forming gradually. Stir enough so you don't end up with lumps, because we want this swallow to be smooth, okay? Yeah, as you can see, we are almost getting there. Yeah, everything is well combined. So the next, I added little boiled water and cover it to cook for like 2 minutes to make sure the plantain and oat swallow is well cooked, okay? 2 minutes now, we are checking on the pot. As you can see, the swallow is ready, so make sure to stir until it is well combined. Yeah, just the way you are seeing here on the screen. Now the plantain and oat swallow is ready. You can see, right? Very smooth. So it is time to serve. I wrapped it so it doesn't dry up, okay? This is really easy to make. Enjoy this fufu with any soup of your choice. Honestly, it is light and tasted super delicious. Why not give it a try? You won't be disappointed. We have come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next one. Remember, please. Bye.
When there's reason in your belly, my dear, you can't withstand. You know, fit ginger. go humble your spirit, but why